Hello everybody! Thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to be doing something very cool, a little bit different. I've noticed one or two whistlers out there have added their country's national anthem on their YouTube channel. So I'm actually from Wales, even though everyone will think I'm from England. I don't have much of a Welsh accent, but yeah, you hear it when I'm talking to my friends. So today I'm going to be playing the Welsh national anthem for you guys. I'll add the tabs on screen so you can play along as well. It is regarded as one of the most beautiful national anthems going. It is a beautiful tune and the words are fantastic, so I might try and add those in somewhere as well. But this is all about the music, not about the lyrics. So grab a whistle in D, sit back, follow along and play the Welsh national anthem with me. From me in Wales, thank you so much for learning to play the national anthem. I hope you had a great time. Don't forget to check out my other videos here on YouTube for more awesome songs to play on tin whistle. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!